you guys. You guys are cute. Oh wow, look at that one right there. Shit, I didn't even see him until I was looking at my camera.
Oh my god, he's so cute. They're so adorable. How big are they? They're like 2 feet, 2.5 feet?
Yeah, something like that.
Swimming like that. So cute. Oh, look at him. He's got his mouth open. So cute. He's just a baby. He's learning how to catch twigs and stuff in his mouth.
That one's got a stick in his mouth.
He's playing around with it. This guy's a little bit older than those ones. Look at him go. There he goes. Look at him walk. He's such a cutie pie.
Yeah, it's not normal for alligators to let you get this close either.
No, but...
What is in his mouth?
Oh yeah, look at him. He's just got sticks in his mouth. He's got like the...
Look at that one he turned around.
He's got the grass.
It's like, I think people feed these guys.
I hope they don't.
I think they do.
Look at all the babies though. They all come up. I bet you they do. I mean, that's terrible for them, obviously, but beautiful. Oh, look at him go. It's the cutest thing ever.